Hello world and welcome to Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today in this video I will show you Bitcoin. We will take a look about Bitcoin, what's going on with it, and here you can see it. We are in trading views, we are in technicals, and we are watching to this, to the oscillators, to the moving averages, and to the summary. You see here 1 day, the technically analyze, and this is an overview for Bitcoin for guys they would not like to see any TA or something like this. They only would like to know, should I buy or should I sell, what's going on. So this one, you can see the daily chart is here. On the daily chart, the summary is buy. The moving averages are saying strong buy, and the oscillators say neutral. Let's take a look about the 4-hour chart. You can see it's the same here. Let's take a look about on the 1-hour chart. It's the same on the 50-minute chart. It's the same on the 5-minute chart. We have a strong buy, strong buy. And the minute we have a buy, and everything is looking like buy. Let's buy Bitcoin. Let's moon. You see it in the months, in the week. It doesn't matter. Buy this damn Bitcoin. Buy it now, it says. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. It's very important for me. I would like to show you some infos about Bitcoin. That's the only thing. It's the thing for me. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index. What does it say? It says, oh my god, I have so extreme greed. I'm so greedy. If I would lose Bitcoin, if I would lose this moment here, I must buy. I must get in. I must. And that's a really big problem in my opinion. You see it 93 points today. A lot of guys, or all guys on the whole world, are extreme greedy, have FOMO, and so on. 93 points today, 91 yesterday, 92 last week, and 78 points last month. So from the technical thing, everything is okay. Let's go to the coin market cap. Let's take a look about it. What's going on with Bitcoin on the coin market cap, and what's going on with the top 10 coins here on the coin market cap. So we see it here. Bitcoin is place number 1, 52,700, and 2% on the daily, 10% on the 7 days, going up nicely, perfect. Ethereum only 0.4% or 0.5%, working not so good as Bitcoin. And on the 7 days chart, 7% up only. And Binance Coin. Damn, what should I say to Binance Coin now? 305, 306, it's climbing to the moon. I don't know what's going on. I made a video about Binance Coin. You can take a look about it on another video on my channel. I made a video today. 58% on the 24-hour chart, and on 7 days, 122%. It's absolutely mooning. Look at this chart. Damn. Polkadot today 6% up, 26% in the week. ADA not so good. You can see it, it's red. A minus about 7%, 0.7%, and a plus about a minus about 0.4% in 7 days. Not so good for ADA. What's going on? XRP today a plus about 4%, in the 7 days a minus about 5%. Litecoin daily neutral. In the weekly 21%, Chainlink daily 5%, in the week 20%, Bitcoin Cash, it's working good in the week, 31%, XLM Stellar 3%. I made a video about XLM here for about an hour. Please take a look about XLM if you would like to trade it. 10% in the week. Let's take a look about what's here. TerraX, it's going nicely. IOTA, 15% today. That's good. 28% in the week. Nice. So guys, that's the thing about the coin market cap, and now let's dive into the Bitcoin. Here it is, the Bitcoin. Let's start not with 50 minutes, let's start with the daily Bitcoin chart. Let's take a look about the RSI on the daily, and let's take a look about the technical things here. A lot of colorful drawings here. A little bit too lot drawings here. So let's take a look about the RSI. What is it saying to us? RSI is saying, attention, I am overbought. On the daily, it's saying to us, attention, Bitcoin is overbought with 75 points. Attention. What's going on here? You can see this red and green candles. You can see the big uptrend. Bitcoin is in a big uptrend. Okay, everything is fine. And you can see here this 5-way up and the ABC correction, the 5-wave up and the possible ABC correction. We will see. We don't know if Bitcoin is here on the highest on the highest wave here, or is it not? We do not know it, but if it is, we may see a light correction here in the next time on the daily chart. We can see it here. So, okay, guys, let's go in the in the 4-hour chart. That's important for us, the 4-hour chart. It's a little bit too colorful here for me. Let's delete here some things. We don't need so much color here. Why can't I delete these lines? I don't know what's going on here. So let's delete this one. It looks better here. So this is the 4-hour chart for the Bitcoin, and you can see it here. We are going up more and more. We are here on 52,800, and you can see the RSI is here on 70 or 69. It's overbought, near overbought. And on the 4-hour chart, that's a little bit bearish if it is so overbought. For the next thing, let's turn on the EMA ribbon, and you can see, okay, the EMA ribbon is very high here, and Bitcoin is fighting on the 4-hour chart here, and it's bouncing up here now. The very important thing is that here, Bitcoin is now breaking over this uptrend line, and that's a really important thing now for the 4-hour chart. We are breaking up this uptrend line. Let's take a look at like this. Let's make a parallel channel here, and we can make it from the deepest point here over the other deepest points here to the upside and to this one. And now you can see with this parallel channel, with this uptrend channel, we have a new target here. If Bitcoin is breaking out more and more and more, we can make a new price label here for this point here. 55,800. That's a point it's possible to reach if Bitcoin is breaking up here more and more and more. And as you can see, this price target here on the upper side, 68,000, this is still the target for the breakout of this rising wedge here. You can see it, this big rising wedge here. What we see here, or seeing here, this is the breakout of the rising wedge, and that's a possible breakout to 68,000. That's the technical breakout point for this rising wedge here on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. Let's check the 1-hour chart, and let's check the MACD. We are erasing the RSI. We are MACD. Let's take a look about it. So MACD, it's bullish. It's the blue line over the brown line. Everything is nice. MACD looks really good here for Bitcoin, even in the 1-hour chart. And you can see it's going up, and we are still over this uptrend channel, and that's a very bullish sign here for Bitcoin, for going up more and more and more. We have a support line here in the 1-hour chart. We can make it here from this deepest point here to this one. That's our supporting line here. The supporting line is momently here on this point, and we have another line from this highest point here drawing to this one, and you can see it. We are making still again a rising wedge, and we are acting in this. So this is the next support, the next resistance point here. Very important. This here is the next point for the next resistance. We have to draw it a little bit better here so you can see it. We are acting now in this rising wedge here, and these are the points to watch now for the next time, for the next few hours. 53,600 on this point, 51,800 on this point. These are the most watchable targets now for the next short time. For the more longer time, you see it here, this is the uptrend, 55,700. And if you're breaking up and up and up more, it looks like so for me, you can see our next big target here, maybe the 68,000, but we will see if it is time for this high volume trend here, and for this end of the Bitcoin pump, maybe a blow off top, or what else we would see. I think we would watch it tomorrow, and I wish you guys a nice time, nice trades, make millions. Best of luck to all. Greetings, your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.